Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply, and welcome to my kitchen. So I did a screen and recoat on the floors, these Brazilian cherry floors, and decided to go with a satin. So we used the Loba 2K Supra. However, the reason that I had to do the screen and recoat, one, it was time. It was a semi-gloss, and my wife wanted to switch it over to a satin. But the chairs were wearing the finish because of the type of glides that I had on them. I'm probably on my fourth or fifth iteration of felt glides. First, I started out with standard tap-ins, and don't get me wrong, if you're using these products, there's nothing wrong with these products, but these particular chairs, the legs come down on an angle and aren't flat to the floor. So you put pressure on these, and when you do that, you wear the felt unevenly. It puts pressure on this steel. The other thing that happens is when you tap this into a wood chair, eventually, because of expansion and contraction and relative humidity and temperature, the wood of the chair leg changes, and these loosen up just like anything, you know, like cracks around your door frame or just about anything. So you'll have to reinstall these. Well, when you reinstall these, you kind of have to move to a different spot, and eventually the bottom of that chair is going to get damaged. You have different sizes, different colors and sizes in felt, square ones that you can cut, and you can see I've cut these to fit various pieces of furniture. Then I bought screw-in protectors that pop in a gliding piece of plastic. And the problem with those was a great concept, but they pick up debris that becomes abrasive and gets embedded in that soft plastic. This is FlexiFelt, and FlexiFelt is the company that developed these, and they are incredible. They literally wrap around the wood leg, and because that leg comes down at an odd angle to the floor, these are soft enough where they make up for it. So they shift, and you'll see when I sit down on this, you'll see it move. Really great design. Looks like it's gonna really wear well. We'll see how the dog handles them, because the dog likes to eat these guys. Here she comes. Hey, you go. Who's that? Right? Yeah, now if I could just get some felt for your paws. Huh? Maybe that's what we should invent. Paw felts. So again, I'm gonna show you how to put them on. There's just a little trick to put them on. Not sure if we can pick this up in the video or not, but inside here, it's ribbed, and that is so that the air escapes and you don't create a vacuum in there. So anyhow, we're gonna put one of these on, but you can see I already have it on some of the chairs. And again, a real easy installation. I'm gonna do this chair here. So what I have here is just some dish soap in water. It's to help this unit glide on, twist on pretty easily, and then once it's on, you're really gonna have to cut it off. All right, so I just kind of get that and that's it. So, okay. So we're about 1.75 inches in depth. Right, and these are available in white and black. I'm sure more colors will be coming out, and then the inside diameter It looks like to be about 7/8 there. So 1 3/4. So if we do 1 3/4 out here, you can see that it's not quite bottoming out. And then when I sit on this chair, you'll see how this unit moves, kind of compresses with the weight, my weight. And I'm gonna pull a chair out. Hopefully you'll hear how the stick-on felt glides sound on the floor versus these guys. Music to a floor guy's ear. So that's the installation. I'm going to do the rest of the chairs, and hopefully you can hear this. I don't know if you can. You hear that? You can kind of hear that coming through the wood versus that, which that rubber is insulating that sound. Again, these are the FlexiFelt, and they are good for all floors. Wood floors, tile, LVT, you name it. You know, it's a lot of hard work to get a floor looking good, pay good money to have a floor recoated or installed, and you want to protect that investment. So these guys are a great solution. The FlexiFelts are available at cityfloorsupply.com, or you can call 1-800-737-1786.